Welcome back to Garage Cars. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Hyundai Venue, a compact SUV that offers a perfect mix of style, efficiency, and practicality. Let's dive in and see what makes this little powerhouse stand out. The 2025 Hyundai Venue is a compact SUV that combines practicality with style, making it an ideal choice for urban drivers who want a nimble yet capable vehicle. This small powerhouse delivers a driving experience that's both fun and efficient, proving that size doesn't have to limit your options when it comes to versatility and performance. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or exploring the open road, the Venue is ready for the adventure. Under the hood, the 2025 Venue offers a peppy engine that delivers just the right amount of power for everyday driving. While it may not be a speed demon, the Venue is more than capable of handling city traffic and highway cruising with ease. The small, turbocharged engine provides solid fuel economy, ensuring you get more miles for your money without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. The suspension is tuned for comfort, offering a smooth ride even on rougher urban roads, and the front-wheel drive layout keeps handling responsive and agile. The exterior design of the 2025 Hyundai Venue is a perfect blend of modern style and compact practicality. With its bold front grille, sleek lines, and updated headlights, the Venue stands out in a sea of smaller SUVs. The compact size makes it easy to park and maneuver, while the overall design remains sharp and contemporary. Available in a range of vibrant colors, the Venue allows for personalization, ensuring that you can find the perfect match for your personality and preferences. It's a vehicle that's designed to turn heads while offering excellent functionality in the city. Inside, the 2025 Venue surprises with its well-appointed and spacious cabin. While it's small on the outside, the interior feels surprisingly roomy, with ample legroom and headspace for both the driver and passengers. The layout is user-friendly, with an easy-to-navigate infotainment system and comfortable seating. High-quality materials give the cabin a refined feel, and the cargo space is flexible enough to carry your gear, whether it's groceries or luggage for a weekend trip. Tech features are well integrated, with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensuring you stay connected. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Venue's strongest selling points. With its small engine and lightweight design, the 2025 model promises excellent mileage, making it an ideal choice for those who want to keep fuel costs low without sacrificing style or performance. It's an urban-friendly ride that gets you where you need to go without breaking the bank. Overall, the 2025 Hyundai Venue is a compact SUV that delivers big on style, efficiency, and practicality. Whether you're running errands in the city or heading out for a weekend escape, it's a vehicle that proves good things come in small, stylish packages. That's the 2025 Hyundai Venue, compact, efficient, and packed with style. What do you think of this urban-ready SUV? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Garage Cars for more awesome reviews. See you next time.